So linear equation part 10 children, we will discuss word problems, how to do word numericals. Okay, how to do word numericals I will discuss. See here, two numbers are in the ratio of 8:3. Okay, I have sent the picture, please keep seeing that. Two numbers are in the ratio of 8:3. Okay, if the sum of the numbers is 143, sum of numbers is 143. Find the numbers, find the numbers. Okay, children, this is the question. First question. Today we will do 15 sums, tomorrow 15 sums will do. Okay. So two numbers. Okay, they are in the ratio of 8:3 means we can write them, the two numbers we can write as 8x and 3x. Let number be x. Let that ratio be x. Okay. So two numbers we can write as 8x and 3x, children. And he only said that sum of these two numbers is 143. He only said sum of the two numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11x, children. 11x is equal to 143. So try to see here, children. Try to see here. So 11 you bring down. What it will become? X is equal to 143 by 11. X is equal to 11 ones are 11. 11 threes are 33. So now x is equal to 13. So one number is 8x. 8x means what, children? 13 into 8. That is 24. 104. Other number is, what is other number? 3x. 3x means 3 into 13. 13 into 3. One number is 8x. So 8 into 13. Other number is 3x. So 3 into 13. 39. So two numbers are 104 and 39. If you want, you can verify also. Verification. Verification. He said that sum of two numbers is 143. What are the two numbers we got? 104 and 39. 104 plus 39 is 143 only. No? Verification also I did. Verification also. Right, children? So that is first sum. Okay. Second question. You have to keep copying along with me. You should not sit idle. Okay. You have to keep copying with me. Second question, children. What is the second question? He's saying 2/3 of a number is 20 less than the original number. Let number be x. Let number be x. 2/3 of a number means 2 by 3 of x. Okay. 20 less than the original number. Original number is x, children. He's saying 2/3 of a number is, he's saying 2/3 of a number is 20 less than original number. 20 less than original number. You should not say 20 less than original number. You should not write like this. You should say 20 less than original number. 2/3 of a number. This is 2/3 of a number is 20 less than original number. Like this you should write. Okay. If you can frame this equation, everything is okay. Now take 3 here. 2x is equal to 3x minus 60 because 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 20, 60. Okay, bring here, children. 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 60. Okay, minus x is equal to minus 60. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 60. X is equal to how much we got? 60. So 60 is the number. Verification. Let's verify, children. Verification. What did he say? 2/3 of a number. What is 2/3 of a number? 2/3 of 60. How much? 40. He's saying 2/3 of a number is, what is the original number? 60. 60 minus 20 is 40. That's what he said. No, 2/3 of a number is 20 less than the original number. 60 minus 20 also 40. Both are equal. No? He said 2/3 of a number is 20 less than original number. Both are becoming 40 only. No, that is how you have to verify. Verification is very important. Okay, you have to verify, children. Compulsory in the Sunday exam also you should verify and show me. Okay, I think everyone are copying the questions. Sums. Third one, he's saying that 4/5 of a number, let number be x. Let number be x. 4/5 of a number means 4 by 5 of x is 10 more than 2/3 of a number. Is 10 more means plus, children. More means plus. Times means into. More means plus. 10 more than, he's saying 2/3 of a number. 2/3 of a number means 2 by 3 of x. Bring all x's onto one side. 4 by 5x minus 2 by 3x is equal to 10. Now without taking LCM, you can't do anything. 15 is the LCM. 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12x. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10x is equal to 10. Take 15 there, children. 12x minus 10x is 2x is equal to 10 into 15. So 2 you bring down, children. X is equal to 10 into 15 by 2. 2 5s are, okay. X is equal to 75. Okay, so 4/5 of a number. 4 by 5 of 75. 4 on the 5 15 4 the 16. 2/3 of a number. 2/3 of a number means 2 by 3 of 75. 50. Okay, children, 225 is 50. What did he say, children? What did he say? 4/5 of a number. What is 4/5 of a number? 60. Is 10 more than 2/3 of a number. What is 2/3 of a number, children? 50. So 60 is equal to 60. What? No? Yes, hence verified. Children, 4/5 of a number means times means into. If nothing is there, into. Is 10 more than 2/3 of a number. 10 more. More means plus, children. Times means into. More means plus. Increase means plus. Decrease means minus. Times means into. Off means into. Okay, children, how many word problems you do, that much strong you will become, children. Third sum is over. Next. Fourth question. Fourth question, children. Fourth question. 24 is divided into two parts. 24 is divided into two parts. Okay, children, two parts. He's saying 24 is divided into two parts such that 7 times the first part added to the 5 times the second part, 5 times the second part makes 146. Please go through, children, all of you. Fourth question. 24 is divided into two parts. What I will do means, if I take one is x, what will be the other one? Can anyone say?
24 minus x.
Very good. If one part is x, the other part is 24 minus x. Think like this, children. If one part is 10, other part will be 24 minus 10, 14. 10 plus 14, 24. No? Or if one part is 5, the other part is 90. If one part is 20, the other part is 4. So if one part is x, the other part is 24 minus x. Always you should remember. If one part is x, other part is 24 minus x. What did we say, children? 24 is divided into two parts such that 7 times the first part. What is the first part, children? X. 7 times. Times means into. 7 times the first part. 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part. Added means plus, children. 5 times the second part. 5 times the second part. 5 times the second part makes it 146. 7x plus
Sir,
5x.
it's second part meaning 24 minus
Yes,
x.
yes. I'm sorry. Yes. Correct, Nana. I'm sorry. So, children, second part means 24 minus x. He's saying if you add that, both will become 146. Again, I'm saying 7 times first part, 5 times second part. 7 times first part, 5 times second part. When they are added, 7x. 5 into 24, how much, children? 5 for 120. 5 into x, 5x is equal to 146. So, children, 7 minus 5x is how much, children? 2x plus 120 is equal to 146. Okay. Okay, children. 2x plus 120 is equal to 146. I am taking 120 that side. 2x is equal to 146 minus 120. 2x is equal to 26. X is equal to 13. So in 24, one part is 13 means what is the other part, children? 24 minus 13, 14. One part is 13 means other part is 14. What did he say? 7 times first part. What is 7 times first part? 7 into 13 plus 4. 5 times second part. 5 times second part. How much is it? 146. Let's check it is true or not. Okay, children. 13 7s are 91, children. 5 4 70. Okay. How much, children? That is 5 4 20 70. What is the second part we got, children?
24 minus 13 is 11, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, 11. Sir.
And then no one is saying, children. 24 minus 13 is 11. No one is saying, please help me. Okay, so 5 into 11 is 55. So 91 plus 55 is 146, children. Like that, verification is also important, children. If you are able to verify, it means that you understood the sum. If you are able to verify. If not, you can't learn the sums, children. You should never learn the sums. You should be in a position to verify the whatever picture you got correct or not. So whenever anyone say two parts means one is x, other is 24 minus x. Okay, children, like this you have to do. Practice all the sums again 2 times after I complete the class. Okay, the question papers, worksheets also I already sent to you, so it's there with you only. Fifth question, children. All of you please check, children. Fifth one. Find the number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part diminished by 5. Okay, children, let number be x. Let number be x. Okay, fourth part. What is saying? Whose fifth part? Fifth part means x by 5, children. Fifth part increased by 5. Increase means plus, children. Fifth part increased by 5 is equal to fourth part diminished by 5. Fourth part diminished by 5. Fifth part is increased by 5. Fourth part is diminished by 5. They both are equally same. Okay, children? So bring x's onto one side, 5 is onto the other side. X by 5 minus x by 4 is equal to minus 5 minus 5, children. Okay, you are able to understand, children? So 5 and 4 LCM is 20. 5 4s are 20, 4 into x, 4x. 4 5s are 20, 5 into x, 5x is equal to minus 5 is minus 10. 20 will go up, children. So what you are getting, 4x minus 5x is minus x, children. Minus x is equal to minus 200. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 200. Let's verify what he gave is correct or not. Okay, fifth part, 200 by 5 plus 5 is equal to fourth part, 200 by 4 minus 5. Let's check whether they are correct or not. Okay, children. So he's saying fourth part. 200 by 5 is how much, children? 200 by 5 is how much? 40 plus 5. 200 by 4 is how much, children? 50 minus 5. 45 is equal to 45. Yes, what he told is correct. Okay, children. Like this, you have to verify. Verification is very, very important. Without verification, I will not give marks only in the exam. Compulsory, you should verify, children. Please copy, all of you. Please copy, children, all of you. Please copy, children. Yes. Sixth sum. Whenever I am saying sixth sum, please go through that sum twice or thrice, children. Keep reading that question. 3 times or 2 times you have to read. Then only you will understand. Sixth question. 3 numbers are in the ratio of 4:5:6. Sixth question, children. 3 numbers are in the ratio of 4:5:6. Build it as 4x, 5x, 6x. Okay. Are in the ratio of 4:5:6. If the sum of largest and smallest, sum of the largest and smallest means 4x plus 6x. The largest and smallest. If the sum of the largest and smallest equals to the sum of third and 55. Sum of third and 55. Third means this one, children. Sum of third and 55. He's saying question. So children is saying sum of the largest and smallest. Largest and smallest is equal to third one. Third one is 5x. We'll take third. Sum of the he's saying is sum of the third and 55. Okay. So children, what is this means? This is 10x is equal to 5x plus 55. This is here 5x is equal to 55. X is equal to 11, children, because 55 by 5 is 11. So what are the 3 numbers? So 3 numbers are, one is 4x, one is 5x, one is 6x. Let's check. 4 into 11, 5 into 11, 6 into 11, 44, 55, 66. Let's verify what we did is correct or not. He's saying first sum of largest and smallest, 66 plus 44 is equal to 55 plus 55, he said. We got middle one is 55 now, plus 55. 66 plus 44 is how much, children? 0, 110. 55 plus 55 is also 110. Yes, what he told is correct. What is the condition he gave was correct. He said that sum of the smallest and largest is equal to third means which is left over plus 55. That only we got 110 we got, and this is also 110, hence verified. Verification is important. If you are in a position to verify the sum, what you did means you understood the sum very well. That is the thing. Always verification you should do, children. Verification is must. Okay. Next question. I hope you are copying, children, along with me. Compulsory you should copy. If you get any note, you can ask me slowly. You can ask me, children, but don't sit idle like that. If 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, children, let number is x. Let number is x. If 10 is added to 4 times, times means into, children. Don't think 4.x. Times means into 4 into x. If 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, result is 5 less than 5 times the number. Result is 5 less than 5 times the number. Times means 5 into x. So 4 into x is 4x, like that, children. 5 less than, don't say 5 less than 5 times the number. Don't write like this, children. 5 less than 5 times the number. Here only many people will do wrong, children. Be careful. 5 less than 5 times the number. Okay. So if 4 times the number is added to 10, it is equal to 5 less than 5 times the number. So bring all x's onto one side, normal numbers onto the other side. 4x minus 5x is equal to minus 5 minus 10. 4x minus 5x is minus x is equal to minus 15. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 15. So number is 15. Let's verify what the condition he gave is correct or not, children. 10 plus 4 into 15 is equal to 5 into 15 minus 5. He gave condition. Okay. 10 plus 60 is equal to 75 minus 5. 70 is equal to 70. Yes, it is correct. What he gave condition? 10 times 10 more than 4 times the number is 5 less than 5 times the number. That is the condition. Please copy, children. Everyone should copy. No wasting time. Okay, children. Next one. Eighth sum. Eighth sum. I will not say more sums, children. I will say 15 sums today, 15 sums tomorrow, and we will do word problems maximum number, children, because how many word problems you do, that's much important, because the same questions again continues in 9th class and 10th class also, linear equations. So you should become perfect, children. Now coming to 8th question. 8th question. Two numbers are such that the ratio between them is 3:5. Ratio between them is 3:5 means what we'll write always? 3x and 5x we'll write. Okay. If each is increased by 10, 3x and 5x is there, each is increased by 10, increase means plus, each is increased by 10, each is increased, children, 3:5 means 3 by 5, okay, 3x and 5x means 3x by 5x, 3:5 means 3 by 5, always, ratio means by only, fraction, okay. So 3x plus 10 by 5x plus 10. If 10 is added to each, if 10 is added, what happens? See, children, two numbers are such that the ratio between 3. If each is increased by 10, the ratio becomes new number. So form is 5:7. The ratio is 5:7. Find the original number. This comes here, this goes there. 7 into 3x plus 10 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 10. 7 3 is how much? 21x. 7 into 10 is how much? 70. 5 5 is how much? 25x plus 5 10 is how much? 50. Okay, bring 50s one side, x's onto the other side. 70 minus 50 is equal to 25x minus 21x. 20 is equal to 4x. 4 will come down. X is equal to 20 by 4. X is equal to 5. Okay. Shall we do verification, children? Shall we do verification? Verification. Okay. What is the verification? The numbers are in the ratio of 3x and 5x, he said, no? Where is the number 3x and 5x? So what are the numbers? So 3x and 5x are the two numbers. 3x means what? 3x means what? 3x means 3 into 5. 5x means 5 into 5. 15 and other one is 25. These are the two numbers. These two numbers he added 10. Means 15 plus 10, 25 plus 10 he added. Then what it became? 25 by 35. Then how much is the ratio? He said 5:7. Is it correct or not? We'll see. 5 5s are 5 7s are. How much you got ratio? 5/7. Yes. What he said is correct. What he said is correct. Like that we have to verify. I hope you are copying, children, everyone. Please copy if you did copy. Okay. Ninth sum, all of you. If you have any doubts, you can ask
1
me.
minute.
Yeah, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me softly, slowly. You can ask me. Don't shout. Okay. If you can have any doubt, you can ask me softly. 3:5 means always 3 by 5. Remember. Everyone should practice, children. These problems, like these problems are there in 9th class and 10th class also. Here we are studying linear equations in one variable. One variable means only x. In higher classes, you study linear equations in two variables, means one will take x, other will take y, and we will do the sums in higher classes. Now in 8th class, we are doing only linear equations in one variable. Okay. Yeah, ninth question. Ninth question, please read. Find three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 147. Three consecutive odd numbers. Children, odd numbers means always remember, if you take one as x, the other one will be x plus 2, the other one will be x plus 4. Because odd numbers differ by 2, children. Odd numbers differ by 2. Remember always, odd numbers differ by 2. Okay, because suppose say odd numbers, what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, no? So all of them are different by how much, children? 2 only, no? So if I take one number as x, the other number you should take x plus 2, the other number you should take x plus 4. Okay, and what did he say, children? He said find three consecutive odd numbers whose sum is 147. He's saying the sum of these three consecutive odd numbers is 1, how much is it? 147. He said how much, children? 147. Okay, x plus x plus x is how much? 3x. 2 plus 4 is how much? 6 is equal to 147. Okay, 6 you bring here. 3x is equal to 147 minus 6. 3x is equal to 141. 3 you bring down. What happens? X is equal to 141 by 3. X is equal to 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. So x is 47. So what will be x plus 2, children? X is 47. X plus 2 is how much, children? 49. X plus 4 is how much, children? 47 plus 4 is how much? 51. So three consecutive means which are coming one after other. Consecutive odd numbers are 47, 49, 51. Three consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive means which are coming one after another. And remember, whether it is odd number or even number, they differ by 2 only. Whether it is odd number or even number, they differ by 2 only. Like this questions will come. Okay, and if you want to verify, please verify, children. 47 plus 49 plus 51, if you do, he said 147. No, let's check. Okay, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 17. 5 plus 4, 10, 10, 147. You can check 147 we got. He only said, what he said, the sum of the odd numbers is 147. When I added them, I got 147. You have to check, children. You have to check. You should not simply sit like that and you should think that we understood the sum. No, you have to practice all the sums. Go to 10th question, all of you. Go to 10th question, children. 10th question. What did he say? 10th question. Find the three consecutive even numbers whose sum is 234. Same, children. X, x plus 2, x plus 4. He's saying sum means this plus this plus this. He's saying how much? 234. Okay. X plus x plus x is how much, children? 3x. 2 plus 4 is how much, children?
Sir,
Say.
it is even numbers or odd numbers?
It is even numbers and odd numbers. Both of them will differ by 2 only. No, no, no. Even or odd, all of them will differ by 2 only. That's why I took one as x, other one as x plus 2, other one as x plus 4. Whether it is even number or odd number, they differ by 2 units only. So bring 6 here. 3x is equal to 234 minus 6. 3x is equal to 228. X is equal to 3 will come down. 228 by 3. 3 7 is 3 6. So what is the first number? X is 76. What is next number? 76 plus 2. How much? 78. What is third number? 80. What did he say? Verification. What did he say? Sum of all of them. 76 plus 78 plus 80. How much? Then 8 plus 6, 4. 14, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 234. That's what he said, no? 234. Sum of all numbers is 234, he said. Please copy, children. Okay. I hope everyone are copying. Next, 11th question. 11th question, sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 12. Okay, children, in 10th place, 12th also same, like that only it is there. And one second. The Children, 11th and 12th, I will say tomorrow, children. Why means you need a separate explanation for two-digit number sum. I will say 13, 14, 15 remaining sums. I will say 11th and 12th require separate explanation, children. I will explain you tomorrow, giving so many examples, because 1, 2 examples, if I say, you won't understand. Okay, children? 11th and 12th is two-digit sums. Two-digit sums, I will say separately, children. Okay, na? Let's do 13th sum. Please go to 13th sum, children. Denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 7. Let numerator be x. Then what did he say, children? Denominator is greater than numerator by 7. Children, numerator x means denominator is x plus 7. He only told. If the numerator is increased by 17, he's saying if numerator is increased by 17, and denominator is decreased by 6, what is denominator, children? Originally x plus 7, but it is decreased by 6. The new number becomes 2. New number becomes 2. Find the original number. Okay, children? See, children, normally numerator by denominator is a fraction. He said numerator is x. He only said denominator is x plus 7. Now he gave one condition. Numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 6. The new number is 2. New number means new fraction. X plus 17 by x plus 7 minus 6, 1 is equal to 2. Okay, children? Bring all in here. X plus 17 is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 2. Okay, children? This here. So, what will do, children? 17 minus 2 is equal to 2x minus x. 15 is equal to x. What is this, children? Numerator. Numerator is how much? 15. Now denominator. Denominator is x plus 7. He only told no, children. So 15 plus 7, that is 22. So original fraction. What is the original fraction, children? Original fraction is 15 by 22 is the original fraction. Original fraction is 15 by 22. Let's do verification. You require verification every time. Okay. What is verification? Check verification. So originally it is 15 by 22. So what he did, he added, where he added, yeah, here he increased the numerator by 17, means this plus 17, and he decreased denominator by 6. 15 plus 17, how much you got? 32. 27 minus 6, how much you got? 21. And 15 plus 30, 22 minus 6, sorry, this is how much, children? How much? 22 minus 6 is how much, children? 22 minus 6, no one is saying 16. Then no one is saying why? 22 minus 6. 16 2s are 32. We got 32. That only he said, 2 he said. He said that only, 2. So children, the question what he asked was 15 by 22. Original answer is 15 by 22. 15 is increased by 17 and 22 is decreased by 6. Then he said on simplification you will get 2. Yes, 32 by 16 is 2 only, no, children. 32 by 16 is 2 only, no. That's what he said. Okay, children. Next. 14th. If a fraction, same, children, numerator by denominator, fraction will be numerator by denominator. Twice the numerator is 2, is saying twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. Twice the numerator is 2 more than denominator. What did we say, children? See, in a fraction, twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the new fraction is 2 by 3. See, children. Twice the numerator means 2x. Twice the numerator means 2x. Okay. If twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. Just a small confusion is there, children. 1 second. Twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. Twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. Okay, children. So what we will do means here denominator we will think as x. That will be easy for you. Okay. If denominator is x, then numerator, what did we say? twice the numerator, 2 more than denominator. Twice the numerator is 2. No, not this also, not correct. No, this is not correct condition, children. 1 second, there is a small confusion. Twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. Yeah.
Is the question correct, sir?
Yeah. Everything is correct, Nana. Nothing will be wrong. Twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. I'm also getting confused. Twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator, he said. Okay, we will have to take only in one term, no, children. So what we'll do, children? So if numerator we will imagine as x. If numerator we'll take it as x. Okay, twice the numerator means 2x. Okay, and denominator, what we can write, children? 2x minus 2 is equal to d, because 2 I am bringing here. Numerator means 2x. Okay, 2x minus 2. Even I will check, children. I also have some small confusion. Let me check. Okay, this is the equation. What he gave means 2x by 2x minus 2. He gave equation. Let me check. Even I have doubt. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, okay, the new fraction is 2 by 3. Original fraction is this, children. To this, 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Let's check cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, 2 2s are 4x. 3 minus 2 is 1, no, children. 2 1s are 2. This will come here, that will go there. Yeah, what we did is wrong only, children. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2 minus 9. 2x is equal to minus 7 you are getting. So everything is going wrong, children. Okay, let me tell this sum also tomorrow, children. Once I will check, because I am having confusion. 15th sum I will tell, children. Okay, 15th sum. The length of rectangle exceeds, children. See, in a rectangle, this is length. Okay, time is also getting over, children. Remaining I will say tomorrow, because only 1 minute is there. Just I'll give small explanation. This is length, this is breadth. The length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7. Length is equal to breadth plus 7, he said. Length exceeds the breadth by 7, he said. If the length is decreased by 4, and breadth is increased by 3, the area of a new rectangle is same as the area of old rectangle. Area of new rectangle is equal to area of old rectangle. This whole sum I will say tomorrow, children, because time is up, children. Okay, all of you log in again. We'll discuss. Yeah, we'll discuss science, children. All of you log in again, and this sums we'll discuss tomorrow.